Hey everyone, Thomas with Hammerdown Auctions doing a little walk around video of this 1974 Porsche 911 Coupe. This is a factory sunroof car, power windows, and AC. This is a very rare Porsche right here. Less than 5% were made with the sunroof, power windows, and AC. Now the AC is not hooked up on this car, but it all is in the front trunk on this Porsche. This car is showing in excellent condition. The paint on the car is just, the color on it is just great. Show you the dash on this. 37,000 miles on it. It's just beautiful. The original steering wheel and shifter boot is in the car with it. Look at that sunroof. Show you the back seat. Show you the front seat here. Wow. Just shuts great too. Don't know if you can see the color, but the metallic in it just gives it an awesome look. Show you the door panel. Wow. Now let's show you up front here. Everything is just nice and clean on this. There's the AC to go with it. Let's go ahead and shut this up. Everything's in Now let's start it up for you guys. Listen to it just purr. There's the sun. Oh, and it does have factory fog lights down here. That's another rare option on this car. All the details will be in the description on this car. Don't forget to check this 1974 Porsche 911 Coupe out.